Hi, my name is Robert, and I want to let you know that I am dedicating this YouTube channel to teaching novice automobile operators, that will be people like yourself if you drive an automobile, on everything you need to know to care for, maintain, and keep your car on the road for many years to come. I have had actually 2 vehicles with over 400,000 miles on them. One of them I purchased brand new, and the other one I purchased secondhand. And my goal in bringing you this channel is to help you understand the things that you have control of in keeping your vehicle on the road. My opinion is that you should get rid of a vehicle when you want to get rid of it, and you should never be afraid to drive your vehicle anywhere. The vehicle behind me has over 428,000 miles on it. There you see it, over 429,000 miles on it. And even though this vehicle has all these miles on it, I do not hesitate to drive it all over the country. 2,000 miles ago, me and my wife was actually in Orlando, Florida. And right now, we live in Albuquerque, New Mexico, where this video is coming to you from. So, I want to encourage you to watch these videos that I'm about to post, maybe 1 or 2 a week. Tell your friends that drive vehicles about them. These videos are going to be able to teach you what you need to know to care for, maintain, and make sure your vehicle is serviced and serviceable for many years to come. So I don't care what your age is, whether you're just getting your driver's license at the age of 16 or you've been driving for 40 years and just don't know that much about cars. These videos are going to be very basic in teaching you the simple fundamentals of automobile care. It'll teach you everything from what a wheel bearing is, to why your car needs certain kind of coolant, to how to check your oil, and just keep your car on the road as long as you want to, and keep your car out of the repair shop if that's one of your goals. So tell your friends about the channel, subscribe to it, like the videos, leave comments and questions. No question is going to be a bad question or what they call a stupid question, and tell your friends about it. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when the video comes on, and feel free to watch the video over and over again if there's something in there you don't understand. I'm going to try to keep the videos brief, 5 minutes or less, and I want you to be totally educated on everything you need to know about cars and trucks if you own a combustion vehicle. That's the first lesson. What is a combustion engine vehicle? That is an engine or a vehicle that you have to pump gas in it. So if you drive a vehicle that you have to pump gas in it, this channel is going to be for you. Share, subscribe, notification, tell your friends. Thank you very much.